That classic ham and pineapple combination. But no, we're not making pizza. Today we're making fried rice. And personally, I love pineapple in fried rice. The family absolutely adore this recipe. Clean plates all round. So let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon each of neutral oil and sesame oil in a wok over a medium to high heat. Now add in a diced onion and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring regularly until our onion softens. Next in goes a diced red pepper, 10 button mushrooms that have been sliced in half, 115 grams, which is about 2/3 of a cup of frozen peas, 150 grams, which is about a cup of cooked ham chunks or shredded ham, 400 gram can of pineapple chunks in juice, but drain the juice off first. And we're also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now toss all that together and cook for about 3 minutes, stirring regularly. Next in goes the rice, so I'm going to add 600 grams, which is about 4 cups of cooked and cooled white long grain rice. Stir all that together to combine. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt or garlic powder. And then mix it all together again, and we're going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until that rice is thoroughly heated through. Once that rice is hot, we want to push the rice over to the side of the pan and crack in 2 eggs. Move the wok so the bit with the eggs in is right over the heat, and then stir those eggs until they start to scramble. As they scramble, mix the eggs into the rice. Finally, we add in the juice of 1/2 lemon and give it a good stir together, and we're ready to serve. Divide between bowls and top with some chopped spring onions or scallions, a nice drizzle of sriracha, and I also like to serve mine up with some lemon wedges. I love that juicy pineapple with those lovely salty chunks of ham and a nice drizzle of hot sriracha sauce to finish it off. Delicious.